I'm Dr. Danny Evans. I have over 22 years of experience in teaching foreign language. I have a bachelor's degree in Spanish with a French minor, a master's degree in language arts and social studies, and my doctorate is in educational leadership. Friends, we've started the Language Tutor to help you with all of your language learning adventures. We plan to teach Spanish, French, English, and more, and we're starting with Spanish from English. We want to invite you to subscribe to the Language Tutor and click the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our language learning videos. We hope to see you on the Language Tutor.